Welcome to 43A Campbell Avenue in Cromer. My name's Tim Worth from LJ Hooker and Seaforth, and today I've got the privilege of showing you through this exceptional single level residence. It can perfectly suit the active family and perfect for the downsizer as well, all being on the one level. And for all potential buyers, it's perfect position right next to the park here. Let's go and take a look inside. Hidden away at the end of a private driveway, featuring separate living and dining rooms overlooking a tranquil north-facing courtyard, plus an extensive area at the rear that incorporates separate casual living, dining and family areas that flow to a covered alfresco entertaining area. The open plan kitchen is tidy and equipped with gas stove and dishwasher. The bedrooms are all large and furnished with built-ins, and the main bedroom comes complete with an ensuite. Set on a near level, fully enclosed landscape gardens that require minimal upkeep, its private and peaceful setting is a stroll to Northern Beach's secondary campus, Pittwater House and Cromer Park, and it's minutes to DY Town Centre and a selection of beaches. Thanks for your time today. My name's Tim Worth, and if this prompts any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you at our next open. Thank you.